Hi, I'm Mike Filsame. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Groove.cm. And today I'm excited to announce that the Groove.cm platform is free for life with no credit card required ever, no catch. So what that means is you're going to be getting Groove pages and Groove funnels to host all of your pages and your funnels and your brand website with unlimited domains. And you'll also get Groove Sell to sell all of your products with upsells, downsells, and cross-sells. And you're also going to get Groove Mail, fully unlocked with unlimited contacts. You simply bring your own SMTP like SendGrid. And if you don't want to bring your own SMTP and you want it nice and simple, don't worry. We made a deal with our technology partner to get you 15,000 email sends a month, absolutely free, with up to 500 contacts. So that's all you need to get you started with email. And here's another thing. With our technology partners with Tiny Email, if you outgrow the 500 contacts or the 15,000 email sends a month, we've made a deal for you to send 200,000 emails a month for just $14.97 if you ever need it. Now, by the way, if you were to get that package over at Tiny Email, it would cost you $359 a month. But because they're our technology partner, they allow us to get you a super saver discount to send 200,000 emails, quality emails hitting the inbox for just $14.97 if you need it. Again, that's a savings of over $345 a month that you get just for signing up for Groove for free if you want to send email with a quality provider like Tiny Email. And it doesn't stop there. Most likely, you're going to want to have an affiliate program to get you an army of affiliates promoting your products. Well, we got you covered. Groove Affiliate is included free as well. So that's it. In order to run your digital online business, you need to use the other guys. They're quite expensive, but we're giving you all of the main tools that you need to run your business absolutely free for life, no strings attached, no catch, no credit card required ever. Unlimited domains and unlimited products. You get a beautiful drag and drop page editor to build your pages and your funnels, and it's all free. So simply check out this website. It has a lot more information for you to dig in. And when you're ready, just click sign up. All you need is your name, email, and a password. We'll never ask you for your credit card to use any of the products that we mentioned. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the inside.